Hi everyone, it's Lavinia. I wanted to share with you a collab that I am joining in. It's new to me, and I like to write down in my journal book all the collabs that I have participated in or still have to complete. But this one is called #Gel Pens with Tess, and Tess's YouTube channel handle is at Coloring with Tess. And I found out about this collab through Pat, and Pat's YouTube channel handle is at Crafting with Pat and More. And I saw this on Pat's channel, so Tess's channel is new to me, but I saw the video on Pat's channel where it's coloring a page or in a coloring book using gel pens. So this is the hashtag gel pens with Tess. And so for the background of the page, if there is a background or if you want to color in a background, you can use anything. But the page itself, the images, you would use gel pens. And I thought that this would be a fun collab to join in. And it's either a full coloring page or work in progress. And you just upload your page or your image on Tuesdays. So I thought I would go ahead and share the page that I've made. I don't know if I'm going to call this a work in progress or if I'm just going to call this a completed page, but this is a coloring book I bought maybe last year or a few years ago at Hobby Lobby, and it's called Color at Home. I don't know if I did a flip through of this or not, but I kind of liked this book here. It has exercises, which I haven't done yet. So the color wheel, and then color combinations as far as monochromatic, analogous, triad, complementary. So I haven't gotten to those exercises yet. And then here's one on adding color. So it looks like there's 2 pages here. Another exercise in putting it all together, and then it goes into the pages. And it's different parts of the home. So the one that I completed, or I at least did, is the laundry room. And so you can see here on the washer and dryer, I used a metallic gel pen. Then some here on these shirts, I thought we would make them like work shirts. So I colored them all in the same, in the blue. And here where the buttons are, I used some shiny gel pens. I don't know if you can see the button shine there. I decided to make the towels all a bright neon yellow. And then for the background here, these leaves in different colors. Here, the key, I don't know if you can see that too, is also metallic. And also the clock has some shine to it as well. And then the lamp here as well. So I may, and then here the handles of the drawers have a little bit of shine, metallic there too. So I may continue with maybe the wicker basket or this fabric that's coming over. And I may want to color in some of these, the bucket and some of these sprays. But I kind of liked the way that the cover is that not everything is colored in. Some spaces are left white. And as I was reading through this, it said something also about, you can leave some spaces white, like not colored in. So I thought that would be kind of nice, because again, I do like the look of leaving some of the items white or some of the images white. But that is the page that I completed. I might like to do just some chairs as part of the collab. And like this one has a saying. I like this one here, this frame with the mugs. I think I have something that looks like that one actually. And there's some pillows. Looks like a craft room right here. So that might be fun to do. But this is my page, at least so far. Again, I may finish up some, like the bucket and maybe the spray bottles and the wicker basket and this fabric, but I think I'm going to leave the rest plain. like that. So that is my page. Again, if you wanted to join in or if you are participating, it's hashtag Gel Pens with Tess. You can view her channel here at Coloring with Tess, and as well as Pat's channel at Crafting with Pat and more, and just uploading a video on Tuesdays. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.